Judges are known for their impartiality and calm demeanor in the courtroom. However, there are instances where judges have lost their temper in court. These moments of anger from judges can stem from a variety of reasons, such as a lack of respect shown towards the court, disruptive behavior from the parties or their lawyers, or simply a display of frustration when dealing with a particularly difficult case. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at times judges lost their temper in court. Yeah, you heard it right. Judge Judy. Judge Judy is arguably the most well-known judge in the history of television. In one episode of her show, she got very worked up over a defendant who she thought was lying, and it was very entertaining to see. The defendant was reprimanded by her, and she requested that he reveal the truth. One of the most memorable and discussed instances from Judge Judy's program was when she lost her passion in this particular situation. Judge Oliver Wanger. Judge Oliver Wanger, who was presiding over a lawsuit in California over water rights, grew so irritated by the attorney's arguments that he tossed his pen across the courtroom. The attorneys were debating whether or not a certain species of fish should be classified as endangered, and the judge was becoming more and more agitated with their constant back and forth. Judge John McBain. In a domestic violence case in Michigan, Judge John McBain became so enraged with the defendant that he removed his robe and lunged at him. The defendant had been interrupting the judge and refusing to follow his orders, and Judge McBain finally had enough. Although the incident was caught on camera, Judge McBain was not disciplined for his outbursts. Judge Richard Posner. In a case involving a dispute between a landlord and a tenant, Judge Richard Posner became incensed with the landlord's attorney for interrupting him during his ruling. He berated the attorney, calling him a total idiot and telling him to shut up. Judge Posner later apologized for his outbursts. Judge Joe Brown. In a criminal case, Judge Joe Brown lost his temper with a defendant who was being disruptive during his trial. He ordered the defendant to be removed from the courtroom and even threatened to have him restrained if he did not comply. The incident caused a stir and raised questions about Judge Brown's ability to remain impartial. Judge William Young. In a sentencing hearing for a man convicted of drug trafficking, Judge William Young became furious when the defendant began to laugh during his statement. He told the defendant that he had no respect for the court or the law and sentenced him to the maximum penalty. Judge Jack B. Weinstein. In a case involving a disagreement between two brothers over the estate their father left them, Judge Jack B. Weinstein became irascible with the attorneys who were defending the brothers. He reprimanded them for their lack of cooperation and threatened to have them removed from the case if they did not begin to cooperate with one another immediately. Judge John Russo. As a result of the lady's refusal to answer the judge's inquiries on the issue involving a protective order being sought by the woman against her husband, Judge John Russo became enraged with the woman. He wanted an answer from her and even issued a warrant for her arrest when she refused to comply despite his repeated requests for it. The event aroused uproar, and many people are demanding that Judge Russo be punished for his actions. In conclusion, although judges are expected to maintain a calm and impartial demeanor in court, there are instances where their emotions get the better of them. These outbursts can be caused by a variety of factors, such as disrespect towards the court, disruptive behavior from the parties or lawyers, or simply a display of frustration when dealing with a particularly difficult case. While these moments can be rare, they serve as a reminder that judges, like everyone else, are human and have their limits. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section down below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.